Introducing SwiftText Translate Conversations app, an agent assistant in Zendesk that revolutionizes your ability to scale your team internationally without adding additional headcount or incurring training costs. As your business expands, it's evident that there will be increased expectations from your customers. In particular, providing support services in languages other than those native to your teams. The best support teams are those that can accurately understand an inquiry and respond in the same language as the customer. Without a tool, your team will likely be providing inconsistent and inaccurate responses, or perhaps none at all. This will lead to disappointed customers who expect more from your services. SwiftText Translate Conversations app will expand your support capabilities without incurring any additional staffing costs, increase time to first response and other response rates, boost overall productivity levels of your team, as well as increase both employee and customer satisfaction. Picture a customer who submits a complex support ticket to your team and receives the solution in a single reply in their native language. Your CSAT score will soar. Let's take a look at how Translate Conversations works in practice. The app is positioned exactly where your agents need it. With one click, the app detects the language and provides a flawless translation directly into the thread for your agents to review. When you want to respond to a translated message, you can either start composing or click the T icon. On the left panel, you'll see two tabs, the Translate tab and the Reply tab. The Translate tab is designed to translate what is written in the right panel. In this demo, we'll turn off auto-translate and type our reply draft. We'll click Translate to generate a translation and insert it directly into the composer. This process works well for short messages. However, to provide more professional and effective support, the text should be expanded. Let's take a look at how we can do that. In this example, you can see that the app has pulled the text from the comment box. From here, we'll click Adjust. Almost instantly, the AI rewrites your draft into a complete, polished customer message that's ready to translate or send as is. You can make your reply even better by linking Help Center articles as resources. In this example, we'll search for a topic like invite, pick the relevant article, and click Adjust. The AI not only adds a link to that article, but also weaves key details from it directly into your message, so your customer gets the full context. Once your message looks good, you could send this in English, or choose to translate it if that's appropriate. Let's switch back to the Translate tab. Your latest reply draft remains in the right panel in this process. Click Translate, and within a few moments, your polished response is ready to insert and send to your customer. And finally, for admins, there are configuration options under the gear icon. You can also access these by clicking Settings in the context panel. These settings increase translation flexibility and deliver valuable insights. First, there's the glossary. This feature allows you to specify how particular terms and phrases, such as your company name or product features, are translated. Simply upload a CSV file containing your preferred translations, and the app will apply them to all outbound messages. Next, we have translation prompts. This enables you to fine-tune the translation process. By adding context like brand language, industry domain, and more, you'll ensure more accurate and relevant translations for your customers. You can also configure languages for individual team members. This means that you can indicate which languages your team understands, preventing unnecessary translations of inbound messages and reducing internal communication noise. For instance, if you speak French and Romanian, you can specify those languages should not be translated for you or your team. You can also generate usage reports to understand how frequently translations are occurring, providing valuable insights into the app's utilization. And finally, we have our co-writer settings. Here, you can edit your AI writing guidelines, create or update predefined instructions for your team, and connect to your help center as a resource. That way, every reply has the ability to retrieve information pulled directly from your company's knowledge base.